Good morning and happy Monday and happy Groundhog's Day from your team here at Outer Banks this week. My name is Mallory, bringing you this week's beach report from the old swimming hole in Manteo on Roanoke Island. It's about 27 degrees right now and we will reach highs today of 34 degrees. Weekly highs will be to the mid to upper 30s as well as the lower 40s. Now, as you can see, we've gotten some snow here on the Outer Banks this weekend. So with that in mind, let's get to some events happening in the later part of the week when it's a little safer to be out on the roads. This Wednesday, head to Lost Colony Tavern in Manteo for trivia. There'll also be the NC premiere of the award-winning film, The Best Day Ever at Ocracoke Alive's Deepwater Theater. Come out to Buffalo City this Saturday for Sinatra After Dark, or head to Wanchese Marina for Music Bingo. If you need any more information on the events I just mentioned, or if you're interested in seeing events for the entire week from Corolla to Ocracoke, please visit outerbanksthisweek.com. Have a great day.
outerbanksthisweek.com. Don't miss a thing.